What is cloud governance? Cloud governance refers to the set of rules, policies, processes, and controls that an organization puts in place to manage its cloud environment effectively. It ensures that all cloud resources are used properly, securely, and in alignment with business goals. Instead of letting teams freely deploy and manage cloud services without oversight, cloud governance creates a structured approach to decision making and accountability. In simple terms, cloud governance helps organizations stay in control of their cloud usage. It covers areas such as cost management, security, compliance with laws and regulations, and performance monitoring. For example, without governance, a company might overspend on cloud services or expose sensitive data due to poor security practices. With governance in place, there are clear guidelines on who can access what, how resources are deployed, and how risks are managed. Cloud governance principles. Cloud governance is built on several key principles that guide how organizations operate in the cloud. One important principle is accountability, which ensures that specific individuals or teams are responsible for managing cloud resources and making decisions. This prevents confusion and reduces risk of errors. Another principle is transparency, meaning that all cloud activities should be visible and trackable. Organizations need to monitor usage, costs, and performance so they can make informed decisions. Without transparency, it becomes difficult to detect issues such as overspending or security breaches. Security and compliance are also critical principles. Cloud environments must follow legal requirements and industry standards, especially when handling sensitive data. This includes implementing proper access controls, encryption, and regular audits. Additionally, cost management is a key principle. Since cloud services are often billed based on usage, organizations must ensure resources are used efficiently to avoid unnecessary expenses. Lastly, standardization ensures that consistent processes and configurations are followed across the organization, making the cloud environment easier to manage and scale. Three-part solutions for making governance work. To make cloud governance effective, organizations often rely on a three-part approach. The first part is policy definition. This involves clearly outlining the rules and guidelines for using cloud services. These policies might include security requirements, naming conventions, cost limits, and access permissions. The second part is automation and enforcement. Simply having policies is not enough. They must be enforced consistently. Automation tools can help ensure that rules are followed by automatically applying configurations, restricting unauthorized actions, and detecting violations in real time. This reduces human error and improves efficiency. The third part is monitoring and continuous improvement. Governance is not a one-time setup. It requires ongoing evaluation. Organizations need to track performance, cost, and compliance regularly, then adjust their policies and processes as needed. This continuous feedback loop helps improve governance over time and ensures it stays aligned with business objectives. Cataloging control and compliance data. Cataloging control and compliance data involves collecting, organizing, and managing information related to security controls, policies, and regulatory requirements within the cloud environment. This process helps organizations maintain a clear overview of how well they are meeting compliance standards and where improvements are needed. By cataloging this data, organizations can easily track which controls are in place, such as restrictions, encryption methods, and audit logs. It also allows them to map these controls to specific compliance requirements, such as data protection laws or industry standards. This is especially important for audits as it provides evidence that the organization is following required regulations. Furthermore, having a structured catalog improves efficiency. Instead of searching through scattered information, teams can quickly access relevant data when needed. It also supports better decision making, as leaders can identify gaps in compliance or areas of risk more easily. Overall, cataloging control and compliance data strengthens governance by ensuring that all security and regulatory measures are properly documented, monitored, and maintained.